Hello everyone, I'm Janvi Nair and welcome back to Flint India's YouTube channel. Today's video is especially important for students planning to pursue their bachelor's degree in Germany. Well, we'll be diving deep into the concept of Studienkolleg, covering it, what it is, how to apply and the different types available. While Germany's public universities offer world-class education without tuition fees, but there's a catch. To enroll in a bachelor's program in Germany, you need 13 years of education. As Indian students, we typically have only 12 years of schooling. So, how to bridge that 1-year gap? That's exactly what we are going to explore today. This video is divided into 7 sections. So feel free to skip ahead to the parts most relevant for you. Let's start with the basics. So, if you have completed your education under the IB or Cambridge board, you can directly apply for a bachelor's degree in Germany. Similarly, if you have cleared the IIT JEE advanced exam, you are eligible to apply as well. But if you are like most of the Indian students who don't fall into these categories, there are 2 main options available. The first option is to complete the first year of your bachelor's degree in your home country in your chosen field and obtain a B2 level of German language certificate from recognized institutes like Goethe Institute, Max Muller Bhavan, TestAS and DSH. This is crucial because most bachelor's programs in Germany are taught in German. And even if your program is taught in English, learning German is not just about meeting the eligibility criteria. ये आपको Germany के job market में भी एक edge देगा. Not only helping you secure a job after your studies, but also making it easier to find part-time jobs and internships during your course. Now, the second option is to enroll directly in a Studienkolleg after completing your 12th grade. Now, what exactly is Studienkolleg? Let's break it down. A Studienkolleg is a 1-year preparatory program designed to help international students bridge the gap and get ready for university studies in Germany. During this year, you'll receive a subject-specific and language training to prepare you for the Festivals, which is also known as FSP Exam, which is a university qualification exam. So basically, Studienkolleg आपको FSP entrance exam के लिए prepare करता है. The Studienkolleg not only helps fill that missing year of education, but also familiarizes you with the German academic system, making your transition to university much smoother. Plus, you'll meet other international students, building a global network from day one. Now, let's talk about the types of Studienkollegs you can choose from. There are 2 main types available. Number 1, Studienkollegs affiliated with a university. So graduates from these programs can apply to all types of higher education institutes, including classic universities, universities of applied sciences, and technical universities. This is ideal if you are aiming for a traditional or research-oriented university. The second type is Studienkollegs affiliated with universities of applied sciences. So graduates from these programs are generally eligible only for admission to universities of applied sciences. This path is great if you are interested in practical hands-on learning experiences. But before choosing a Studienkolleg, you'll need to decide on your subject area, as different Studienkollegs offer different courses based on your field of study. For Studienkollegs affiliated with universities, G course is for humanities and foreign language programs. S course is for those going in linguistic programs, while W course is for social and economic sciences programs. T course for natural science, technical, scientific and mathematical programs. M course for medical and biological programs. But when it comes to Studienkollegs at universities of applied sciences, they are recognized by different names, like TI course for technical and engineering program, WW course for economics program, GD course for artistic programs, and SW course for social sciences programs. Choosing the right course is crucial because it sets the foundation of your future studies and career. And जिस तरह जर्मनी में public and private universities होती हैं, उसी तरह यहाँ public and private Studienkollegs भी होते हैं. So let's discuss the difference between public and the private Studienkollegs. Public Studienkollegs are government funded and offer tuition-free courses. However, there might be some administrative and semester fees, typically ranging from 100 to 400 €1,400 per semester. Public student colleagues provide state-recognized degrees and FSP certificate, which are widely accepted across Germany. This means you can pursue your bachelor's degree from any university of your choice in Germany. But unlike universities, there are very few student colleagues in Germany, so competition is tough. To secure a spot, you'll need to pass an entrance exam called the Aufnahmeprüfung. To excel in this exam, you need strong German language skills up to B2 or C1 level, because ये exam German में ही होता है, and at the same time, good mathematical skills as well. Now, let's talk about the private student colleagues. So, the private student colleagues often charge high tuition fees between 5,000 to 8,000 euros. While they may offer more flexible admission criteria, not all private student colleagues have the same recognition as public ones. इसीलिए अगर आप किसी private student colleague में जा रहे हो तो अप्लाई करने से पहले ये जरूर कंफर्म करें कि आपका student colleague किन German universities में recognized है. Now let's go through the process of applying for a student colleague. This step requires careful planning and attention to detail. First things first, start by identifying the university you are interested in. Some universities have their own preparatory programs and may forward your application to a student colleague if needed, while others only accept students from specific student colleagues. For example, the University of Stuttgart often redirects students to student colleagues at KIT or Heidelberg University. Now comes the application process. Depending on your chosen university and student colleague, there are three main ways to apply. First is the direct university application. So some universities like Ludwig Maximilian University, which is also known as LMU, require you to apply directly to a study program first. If accepted, you will receive an invitation to take the entrance exam for the student colleague. Second way is applying through UniAssist. So UniAssist is a centralized service that helps international students with university applications. Before applying, check whether your chosen university uses UniAssist. If they do, you can apply through their MyAssist platform. During the process, you'll be asked if you are applying for a student colleague. If not, UniAssist will handle this part automatically. And the third way is direct application to the student colleague. Some private student colleagues accept direct applications. For instance, student colleague Mettingen allows you to apply by filling out an application form and submitting it along with the required documents. Now, for more information on available student colleagues, you can visit the official website studentkollegs.de. Now, when applying for a student colleague, make sure you have all the necessary documents in order. So here's a list of the documents which are required to apply for a student colleague. Be mindful of application deadlines, because student colleagues' deadlines are typically earlier than university deadlines. For the summer semester, deadlines usually fall between mid-November and January, and for the winter semester, they range from mid-March to mid-July. Now, you must be wondering, is it possible to skip student colleague? So the answer to this question is yes, but it's not easy and it's not for everyone. Here are two ways how you can skip the student colleague. Number one, some student colleagues allow you to take the FSP exam as an external candidate. However, this means you will need to prepare for the exam independently. This path requires a high level of discipline and self-study. And another way to bypass student colleague is by completing 1 year of college in India. As we discussed earlier, this is a more structured and safer option if you are not confident in preparing for the FSP exam on your own. Now the question arises, what is better, 1 year bachelor's in home country or student colleague? So there are few benefits of doing student colleague. Number one is student colleague is specifically designed to prepare international students for the academic environment in Germany. And when you start with your bachelor studies after completing student colleague, you're already used to German teaching style. Number two is broader university options. So after completing student colleague, it often gives you access to a wide range of universities in Germany. And number 3 is it improves your German language skills as well. Ultimately, both paths have their own advantages. So you can choose wisely based on your personal circumstances, academic goals, and comfort level. Now here's a useful tip. You can also work 10 hours per week on part-time basis during your semester breaks while you are doing your Studienkolleg. And lastly, let's talk about TestAS exam. This is a central standardized aptitude test that is often required for bachelor's degree in Germany. Even if your university doesn't require it, you will still need a TestAS certificate to apply for an APS certificate, which is mandatory for Indian, Chinese and Vietnamese students. You can take the TestAS exam in your home country. The only exception is if you have cleared the IIT JEE Advanced, then you are exempt from this requirement. For more detailed information, visit the official TestAS website at testas.de. So that's everything you need to know about pursuing a bachelor's degree in Germany through a Studienkolleg. While the process might seem complex, with the right planning and preparation, you can navigate it successfully. So thank you for watching. If you have any specific topic you'd like us to cover in our next video, please let us know in the comments below. And if you're looking for a personalized guidance, you can also book up one-on-one counseling session by dropping a message on the number provided. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Flint India's YouTube channel for more insights on studying abroad. Till then, keep growing and glowing. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.